Hi guys, it's Sany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you a very simple and easy way to organize and store your small plastic scraper and stamping plates that come along with some stampers from AliExpress and other stores from China. So I have a lot of these because I buy a lot of stampers, but I always like store them around here and there because I just don't use them, and I don't use them because I don't keep them handy. They are lying somewhere in the corner of a box or somewhere because I just didn't know how to store them. But recently, while reviewing a crystal stamper that I got from AliExpress, I tried out swatching the scraper and stamping plates like these that came with that stamper, and I was really impressed on how they worked. So then I kept thinking on a way to store these scraper and stamping cards more easily, and in a better way, so that they can be easily accessible, so that I can use them when I feel like. So what I came up with is storing them in a way something like this. So these are binder rings that I bought from my Dollar Tree. So these came in a set of 8 pieces, and these are 1.5 inches wide. I also got a pack of bigger binder rings which came in a pack of 6 pieces, and again these were like, I think I'm in Canada, so these are not exactly $1, but yeah, it is $1 and either 25 cents or 50 cents. But yeah, these binder rings are available in all stationery stores, and you can get your hands on them very easily and choose a size that is right for you. So basically these cards come in 2 sizes, and the smaller ones already have holes in them, so it's really easy to take a binder, open it, and just put it inside it and close it. But the bigger ones don't come with holes. This one I did the hole myself using a drill machine. I don't have one to show that doesn't have a hole in it already, because I have already made the holes to store them and put them into my binder ring. But anyways, so the bigger cards, they are like, you just need to make some holes in them, and then you can just put it into a binder ring and store it like this. You can either hang it on a nail or somewhere, or just put it in a drawer or something. The thing is that all these plates will be together, and you can just see the design, and if you feel like using any, you can just open this up and then easily remove it, use it and clean it and put it back in. So for making the hole on these cards, I used a drilling machine with a drill bit that was big enough to punch a hole that will go inside the binder ring without damaging the design of the plate. And earlier I also tried to punch a hole. Let me take this out and show you. So if you see this one has a bigger hole than this one. It is because this hole I did using a punching machine, the paper punching machine. And so if you have one with you, you can use that as well. So yeah, you can just make a hole and use a binder ring and put it in there, close it, and you're all sorted. And just to make it look a little cute, I just added this keychain to the bundle, which I also got from Dollar Tree. So yeah guys, this is it, an easy way to store and organize all your plastic scraper and stamper cards in one place so that you can easily access them and use them as and when you like it. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can leave down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep smiling. See you soon. Bye.